Welcome to another very short video, this time covering one of the features you may not even be aware in Embrace 3D, which is about DXF files in order to check your model or document the framing plan of your bridge in a calculation note for your client or for presentation. If you go to the model folder, you will see that at the end of each run, a framing plan in DXF format is produced. And if you open this file in any DXF editor, such as AutoCAD, MicroStation, or other free tools available on the market, if you open this file, you will be able to visualize and check your geometry. So note that the file is organized in layers to make things even easier. You can plot the girders. Here, this would be an arc. Okay. In this case, there are two arcs because the curvature was the angle was larger than 90 degrees, so I had to use a combination of two arcs. You can also plot the supports, the cross frames, and of course, then the final structural elements here. So it's a really nice way to inspect your model. You can, of course, visualize the properties of each of these, all the coordinates. They can then annotate this document to include in your calculation reports. I hope this is helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on Embrace 3D.